What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing and welcome back to another video. And today we have these gold color cars, golden cars, and these are insanely amazing. So we have the 57 Chevy as well as a Pagani Huayra in this amazing gold paint job. We're gonna do a quick unboxing and let's just look at the back. So of course the Pagani is from the exotics and this from the Chevy Bel Air series. We're gonna do a quick unboxing of these two cars. We're gonna go through quickly of little facts, quirks and features of the car, and then I'll see you at the end. So yeah, right off the bat, there you go, both the cars are right here. We are going to start with the 57 Chevy first. And yeah, I mean, come on guys, this car looks amazing. It's a bit heavy as well, so it feels like there's a lot of authority with the car, you know. So the car looks all in all amazing. I think this gold color, I'm a huge fan of it. So yeah, we're just gonna start with the left side. So you can see the whole black line decals as well as the white paint job there, the Hot Wheels logo. The wheels spin amazingly as well, which is amazing, which is always great to see with Hot Wheels cars like this. And of course the design here of the rims itself, it's amazing, it's immaculate. And yeah, if you guys see this white color portion here, right, it's actually flaky and you can actually feel the texture, which is amazing. A very nice little nifty detail that Hot Wheels has provided with this car. And the wheels are amazing, ever so amazing as well. And if you look at the front, you can see that's where the logo would be of the car. So they actually indented it, but it didn't print the logo. Then you've got the grille and the amazing details there, the headlights as well. And you can see the decal, the hood as well, which is always nice. It flows really well with the paint job. And if you look at the left side of the vehicle and the wheels, like I mentioned, it's been amazingly well. Mainlines actually do that really well. They actually have wheels that spin perfectly amazingly well. And the design, I must say, I must compliment the design once again. Of course, the flakiness still continues here. The white portion, the Hot Wheels logo is right there. And yeah, overall in all, amazing car. You can see the interior as well. You can see the gauges, which is a nice little detail right there. Most cars, they don't really put the gauges on, but this did. And if you look at the back, you've got this back design, almost like the Batmobile video I did, the previous video, if you guys remember, or I think it was 3 videos ago. Yeah, so very similar to that, very nice detail. And if you look at the base, it's a chrome finish, which is really nice to see Hot Wheels with chrome finishes, because it really has it gives the car a lot of character. Of course, you can see the Hot Wheels logo right there. You can't really see, but they actually wrote 57 Chevy right there. Maybe you just gotta zoom in a little. And yeah, just the details at the back and front, not in the middle. Overall, you know, even just look at these guys. I mean, the top view, just simply magnificent. I think, I mean, this is really amazing. It's one of the very nice detailed vehicles I have. And now we're gonna move on to the Pagani Huayra. And unlike the Chevy Bel Air, this feels way lighter for some reason. Not really sure why. Maybe it's because it's a sports car, you know. It's a hypercar, so you know it's supposed to be light in a sense. But yes, you can see the black accent with the gold paint, similar to the Chevy. But of course, the wheels here are they gold or are they bronze? I'm not really sure. I'm gonna go with bronze wheels. So that's really nice. It's very nice detail to see. And there's not much design at the side as well. If you look at the front, of course, we've got the whole the 4 headlights as well. Not much details. I'm assuming that's where the Pagani logo is supposed to be. I'm not really sure. I've got to get back to you on that. But irregardless, the headlights look amazing. And all this car, if you look from this angle, I mean, imagine seeing this car in a rear view mirror. It's gonna be insane. It's gonna be amazing. If you look at the left side of the vehicle, same designs. Of course, we've got the Huayra right there, the Hot Wheels logo. And the wheels spin amazingly, perfectly well once again. I'm a huge fan of that as well. If you look at the back, you can actually see the quad exhaust. Now, a bit disappointment here. I don't know why this is covering the bottom 2 exhaust if you see it from this angle. I don't know if it's a defect or what. But yeah, Paganis have quad exhaust, and I think their exhausts are one of the best looking exhausts in the market right now. And we look at the base, you can see this very weird design, almost like a carbon fiber mesh. So maybe, you know, they wanted to replicate the carbon fiber accent and they put it down there, which is really nice to see. No, but that means that there isn't any details in the car. They didn't write Pagani Huayra in the base. So very minimalist. All in all, I think this is an amazing car. It looks nice, it feels light as well, and I feel like, you know, on a Hot Wheels track it will be nice. So let me know in the comments below between these two cars, which would you pick and why. I honestly I'm not really sure, but I think I will go with the Chevy Bel Air. And hear me out guys. The reason why I would go with the Chevy Bel Air, which is right, this car, right, the reason why I'll go with this is because it just feels amazing. It's nice to have a a classic kind of collection. And now we're gonna do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just like guys, this video is over. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I had an amazing time unboxing these vehicles. They're gonna go amazingly well in my collection. I have another gold Batmobile, so keep in touch for that video. But yeah, so here's another Pagani Huayra from the Brembo. And just like that guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.